Hey there everyone, how's it going? Shar Mstafiz here with yet another speed art video. It's been a minute since the last time since I've uploaded a speed art video. Nevertheless, I've been working on a lot of huge projects and actually collaborations. I'll be uploading an update video for 2021. Speaking of 2021, Happy New Year's. And I have here some footage, sped up footage from my live stream that I did last year on Twitch. You can find me on Twitch, Sharia95. Twitch.tv Shire95. I'm just going at this. I just wanted to upload some content because it's been a while since the last time I've uploaded anything on this channel. Nevertheless, I've been working on a lot of content and collaborations on my other channels. If you guys don't know already, I have 3 other channels plus this one, so that's about 4 channels. A gaming channel and my cinema channel and visual effects channel. And speaking of visual effects, this is basically just me working on a visual effects that I live streamed on Twitch, and it was just kind of like a fun practice thing on how to remove a guy from the background and make this cute little adorable pupper fly. And I wanted to just kind of show off my workflow, but a more detailed workflow version of this video will be being uploaded to my second channel, M Digital 2, which is where I've been uploading a lot of VFX breakdowns and tutorials on how to do basically video editing and visual effects. And I'm really excited for this year because I've been one of my biggest goals and one of my New Year's resolutions is to grow my subscriber base across all my channels and do it organically. No fake giveaways or no inorganic means of just trying to grow my channels. I just want to create content for you guys and do it more often. I'm going to try to be more consistent, so expect videos from this channel every Sunday. Aside from the update one, I'll be probably doing a more in-depth update on things that I haven't planned for you guys. So if you guys haven't done so already, and if you're new around here, I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell. And before I leave you guys off, I want to know, comment below, what kind of content do you like? Do you like watching my speed art videos? Are you here from the days when I started uploading 3D printer work, or you're just here because you're one of my friends? I want to hear from you guys, and I want to hear how you're doing so far. I want to check in on all my subscribers and want to see what you guys do. Nevertheless, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Alright, now we're fairly nearing the end of the video. If you watched it up until this point, you gotta love time lapses, and I highly appreciate you being here. And here's pretty much the end product of the video, and I hope you guys liked it so far. I know I want to do more in-voice videos, but I just want to pump out some content for today and just get some work and get the algorithm to notice me as an active channel. It's been a difficult year for a lot of smaller YouTubers, especially with the algorithm constantly changing in the favor of something inorganic, and people who just come in and just do stuff like giveaways and stuff like that, and it's kind of hard trying to compete with those channels. Nevertheless, I really want to grow my subscriber base and do everything, so I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell if you haven't done so already. It means a lot that you guys watch the video, and I want to hear from you. Once again, leave a comment below, anything at all, and then don't forget hit that like button so I can climb up the ranks on YouTube. Nevertheless, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.